music is for the soul. So it's like a trichotomy. And this is where I kind of create a little equilibrium.
Foreknowledge. Impulsivity and intuition are often used interchangeably and out of context, but they are mutually exclusive.
You do?
Sway, what does that have to do with the fourth?
I have five sway too.
What you find with not just neurotypicals but atypical, you have the alpha, beta, delta, and theta. Hypnosis is basically when the
Jackets at 4.
So you are all, I heard that you are also
right. It has to illuminate in the actor's personality of person. I feel you.
Is it like depends what kind of cocaine you get?
well. So I have a question for you.
I wish you would.
I saw you on.
I mean, look, people do what they do. I'm still wearing the same underwear from 3 weeks ago. Well, they just can't do anything.
I'm trying to interview you, but you have to let me ask. You have to let me ask the question.
When subliminal influences is you're unaware of
Phenomenon that occurs during grandiosity.
a psychological approach.
Straighten your back up, and after a day of
5 irony. You remember you have atmism or animism, implementas.
And some people say I have a cuteness.